Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to access your GTA 5 offline inventory. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access your GTA 5 offline inventory. Now, this will work with any of the available characters like Franklin, or Trevor, or maybe Michael. These are the same keybinds as they are. So all you need to do is on your keyboard, click M. After clicking M, below Quick GPS is your inventory. Now we'll be able to access your inventory once you click on this and enter. After clicking on the enter, you may now choose which hat, glasses, or mask you want. Example right here. I'm gonna choose a Michael. I choose. Oh, I don't have any hats. What about sunglasses? There we go. I want sunglasses. What about mask? Oh, I have a Halloween mask. So let's just do the sunglasses. And there you go. Then to apply it, just click back. There you go. And there you go, guys. That's how you access your inventory in GTA 5 offline. So, a little bit of a tip for you guys. When accessing your GTA 5 inventory, of course, you need to buy a hat or glass or mask so you can have many choices when you're using your inventory in GTA 5. So there you go, guys. Hope you guys like the video and hope you guys enjoy. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.